Would you trust your life on a tire that's already been used once before? Sounds insane, but that's exactly what tire retreading is, and it's one of the biggest hidden secrets in the automotive world. Tire retreading is the process of taking a worn-out tire, stripping off its old tread, inspecting the casing for damage, and then giving it a brand new tread so it can hit the road again. And no, this isn't some cheap roadside trick. Retreaded tires are used on heavy trucks, buses, and even aircraft, because they can slash costs massively compared to buying brand new tires. A good retread can save fleet owners thousands, reduce waste, and keep perfectly usable tire casings from being dumped. But here's where it gets serious. If the tire casing is weak, damaged, or the retreading job is done badly, that same tire can become a rolling disaster waiting to happen. That's why some people call retreading genius, and others call it dangerous. So the next time you see a massive truck flying down the highway, just remember, the tire carrying all that weight might not be new at all. It might be living its second life. Subscribe for more.